Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to play the World of Warcraft TCG. The game's core objective is to defeat your opponent's hero by reducing their health to 0. You'll use a deck of cards featuring allies, abilities, and equipment. Understanding these basic components is your first step to becoming a champion. Get ready to dive into the world of Azeroth. Setting up is simple. Place your hero card, shuffle your deck, and draw 7 cards for your starting hand. Each turn follows 5 phases, beginning with drawing 1 card and gaining 1 resource. Resources are crucial for playing cards, so managing them wisely is key to victory. This structured approach makes gameplay smooth and engaging. During your turn, you can play allies to attack, use abilities for powerful effects, or equip your hero with items. Each card has a resource cost, which you pay by turning resource cards face down. Combat involves declaring attackers and choosing targets, aiming to reduce your opponent's hero health or defeat their allies. It's all about strategic plays. The ultimate goal is to reduce your opponent's hero health to 0. Utilize your hero's unique abilities and the strengths of your deck to gain an advantage. Strategic card play and smart combat decisions are essential for victory. Keep an eye on your opponent's board and plan your moves carefully to claim triumph in the World of Warcraft TCG.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.